Ready to transform your website by adding eye-catching visuals using HTML in Adobe Dreamweaver. First things first, open Adobe Dreamweaver and either open an existing HTML file or start a brand new one. Ensure you're in the code view, the section where you can see the HTML code. This tutorial assumes you're familiar with the basic Dreamweaver interface. Now, let's get to the core of the tutorial, adding the image tag. The foundation for displaying images in HTML is an image tag paired with an attribute. In this script, we're incorporating in greater than element, which is a key to getting visuals directly into your web page. Decide precisely where you want your image to appear. Place your cursor inside the HTML where you want the picture, or in the body of your code. Between the tags, this is where you place the code. Now type in greater than tag, followed by a space. This will activate the image element. Afterwards, you'll use the src attribute. This attribute indicates the image's origin within the src equals sign. Enter the path or file name of your image. If your image is in the same folder as your HTML file, you can simply type the image's file name followed by its extension, such as myimagep or logop. Then, add the alt attribute. Alt stands for alternative text. This is super important. It describes your image. For instance, you'd write logo of my brand or a picture of a car. This attribute helps with accessibility and improves SEO. Next, save your HTML file. You can then view your web page in Dreamweaver or open the HTML in your web browser. Your chosen image should now be displayed on your web page. And that's a wrap. By incorporating images, you can create appealing and functional websites. Remember to practice, and you'll be well on your way to mastering HTML image integration in Adobe Dreamweaver.